美国有一个联邦众议员候选人，会晓20种语言，而且熟悉选举政见的人工智慧 AI 助选员，协助分析选民介意什么。但伊甲讲过，当卡几落清通的电话去拜票，透过1对1的通话替候选人邮票。
May I ask who I'm speaking with?
This is Cassandra.
Hi, Cassandra. Great to meet you. Are you familiar with Shemaine Daniels and her campaign for Congress?
接到竞选拜票电话是美国真侪摇摆州选民伫大选期间的日常。不过，这通拜票电话真无共款，是由一个叫做艾许利的 AI 人工智慧助选志工甲选民对话。民主党众议员候选人丹尼尔斯强调，这号较未晓接触各类民众的候选人有机会扩大甲民众的接触。
The goal for me in using this tool is to expand those who can participate in the campaigning process. If the person answering is kind of going in a direction that's inappropriate, Ashley has the ability to kind of end that conversation. But on our end, we've made sure that she can't tell lies about me.
丹尼尔斯伫2022年选举只无过10个百分点败获前总统川普支持的共和党众议员佩里。这摆竞选头一摆有 AI 助选员登场替伊拜票，甲典型的有线录音拜票真无共。艾雪莉是一种类似 OpenAI 的 ChatGPT 机器人，会当分析选民的资料，甲伊爱啥物，客制化进行1对1拜票。也毋过专家烦恼，民众恐惊还未准备好应对这类 AI 人工智慧。
They just pollute or can pollute our information ecosystem, and it's not just that we don't have the tools to fight that. People aren't quite prepared. Like we see this all the time when people go to use ChatGPT for something, and then they're surprised when it hallucinates or makes up some thing that's not quite true.
虽然艾雪莉逐工会当卡数千通拜票电话，分担竞选团队工作量，也毋过专家烦恼，当前美国政治已经充满假新闻 ，AI 拜票这个时阵登场，恐惊会加重美国政治两极化所产生出来假信息现象。公司新闻电话真朋友。